Good morning, it's Costco day, so I'm gonna go get my hair done. I get my hair done twice a year, so today is that day. And then I'll already be in town, so I'm gonna go to Costco. And I have probably a pretty big haul because I haven't been in probably like a month, so I need to stock up on the essentials. And let's get into it. I'm excited to see all their spring things slash summer. So I haven't been since it was more like the winter vibe, so let's go and see. Okay, I just got back from Costco. Got my hair done. I had to put a hat on because I always have to get dye there, but I really like it. But that's not the point of the video. So I'm just gonna put it all here and then show you. Okay, we'll start over here. I have English muffins, the 4-pack, the 2-pack of bread. Derek takes these for lunch, and this is his breakfast. Milk. Some bananas. These are pretty green, so they'll take a bit to go ripe because we already have a bunch. We ran out of toothbrushes, so I just got another pack of toothbrushes. It's just nice to have a big pack besides buying them all the time. So these are just kept in the drawer. Heavenly Hunks oatmeal dark chocolate. These are amazing. One of my favorite things from Costco. They stay really fresh in this bag, so I really like those. We got our pork chops. We eat these probably once a week, and they are a pretty inexpensive option, and they're pretty big, so usually like I'll only eat half of one, but really good inexpensive option. And the marinade on these is amazing. Ground turkey, we eat this a lot too, just to switch it up from ground beef. And the plain yogurt, I want this every day pretty much, with some honey, cinnamon, and berries. And then I got a big box of Kraft Dinner for Derek. He eats Kraft Dinner not that often, but like sometimes on the weekends for lunch or something. And these are the super size, so there is 12 of them, but it actually equals 18. So they are thicker. Like the normal box is only probably like this, and these ones are thicker. So I just got him that, and we'll just put them away for him. Some chocolate milk. I got the Organica liquid enhanced collagen. I used to have collagen powder, but I wanted to try and see if this is easier, because the other one you have to like mix into something, so I put it in my coffee. But this, you can just take it by the spoonful, and it's orange flavor, so you just have 2 teaspoons of it a day. Peanut butter. I got this rotisserie chicken for dinner, and then as well as the creamy dill pickle salad. The salad is the bomb. It's so good. So usually I'll get like this and then have the salad with it, and Derek will make a wrap. And Bark Thins. The Balance Breaks, I used to eat these all the time last summer, and my mom asked for them, so I was like, well, you know what, the weather's getting nicer, I feel like eating them again. I don't know why I didn't eat them in the winter, but they're so good for on the go, and they come with cheese and nuts. And I would not buy these at the store unless you're in a pinch, but because they're really expensive, but at Costco they're actually a really good deal, so super good for your lunch. These are for my mom, the almond flour crackers by Simple Mills. She really likes these. I'm assuming they're gluten-free. Yeah, they are. So gluten-free almond flour, sea salt crackers. These are for my mom as well, the Keto Granola. I'm not sure how this tastes because I haven't tried it, but she asked for it. And then liver bites for Ruger. These things are so good for training, very smelly and good just to have around. I like throw pieces of them around the house, and then he finds them when he's bored. So I really like how they're really easy to break, and they're really simple because he has a sensitive stomach, so they're easy on his stomach. And then I wanted to try these. I watch a girl on YouTube, Cam Jewel, and she eats these with some Kodiak cake waffles every morning. They don't have those in Canada, but I really wanted to try these and just see if I like them. There's 50 in here of these sausages, so you can put them in the oven, you can microwave them. So I feel like for an easy breakfast, you could just microwave them. And it only takes 1.5 to 2 minutes, so thought I would give those a try. And then obviously you need to get clothes when you go to Costco, so I got these Modetta shirts. They're just kind of like really light for the summer, and I bet you they're probably really good like when it's hot out. They're not like cotton, so they breathe. And it comes with this color and then this lavender color. I don't know how I feel about this one, but I really like the lavender color. And I got a small. It was $18.99, but I believe they were on sale for $12.99 for 2. So can't go wrong with that, with a nice moisture wicking shirt. And then over here we have some Gain laundry detergent. We didn't need more of this right now, but it was on sale for $4.50 off. So that's a good thing too. Like, we always look at the flyer, and then if something's on sale that we need eventually, we'll just buy it, because if you keep doing that, that adds up. So it almost saved $4.50 here. The bark thins were $2 off, so that money does add up. We got some toilet paper for Derek's mom and some paper towel for the shop for Derek, because we have a bunch up there still, so we don't really need more right now. But that was everything that I got at Costco this time. And there was like a couple things that we're almost out of, but I was like, whatever, I'll be back. So I'm sure I'll have to go back in probably like 2 weeks and get some stuff for the freezer and for the springtime. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.